Hello, this is Lynn. Today I'm going to show you how to put SPX graphics with Ecamm Live. This should be fairly easy. Let's first open Ecamm Live. SPX would act as an overlay in Ecamm Live, so you can add the widget overlays right here. Display name can be anything. I'm going to put SPX. And widget URL, you can find it in SPX application configuration right here. Go and copy browser URL under the web playout layer like so, and go back to Ecamm Live, paste it. For the widget option, you should have the HD resolution, so remember to put 1920 and 1080. Frame rate should be 30 frames per second. Check both of the fill entire frame and keeping running. Then we can add widget overlay already. And now it acts as the overlay right here. We should go back to SPX. We don't do anything here, so go to project. You can run your favorite run now. I'm gonna play this demo and my name demo, open rundown. Let's play it here in SPX. Yes, and let's go to Ecamm Live. It's supposed to appear here already, but I noticed that Ecamm Live changed the widget URL to HTTPS, and right now we only support HTTP, so let's change it back to HTTP and save. And there you have it, SPX graphics in Ecamm Live. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.